Here's to the restless ones, crypto investors, the tireless searchers, platform trawlers, heater of tips, pounder of turns and trends. From airdrops to altcoins, market cap is their gold panning. Strategizing, anticipating, hodling, known to watch more markets than movies. But what if there was another way? Decentralized and doing crypto differently. Zignaly is the original social investing revolution, connecting traders and investors, democratizing access to vetted funds and strategies. It's power to the people, powered by expert fund managers and pro traders. Join Zignaly, the social investing revolution. ZigDAO.com